I've just got these new Krone earpads for my Bose headphones. As you can see, my Bose headphones pretty bad. Definitely need replacing. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them on and see how easy they are to replace and what comes in the packet. So got the headphone pads or cups, whatever you want to call them. And then there's a little tool to remove them. Now I did see some instructions before. I did have a quick read, so we'll give it a try based on what I read on the instructions. So you got to identify left and right. Each one of these have a left and right pad to them. Now we remove the cups. As you can see, mine are very dirty under here. Might worry about cleaning that later. Let's see if these headphones go on alright though first. So it says these parts come off. So now identify the left and the right. So this is left. We'll use this one first. These sticky parts here. You remove the top layer. So let's see how easy this is. Yep, that seemed quite simple. Same with this one here. Okay, now it says to stick them down. This was the left. Nope, that's the right. So the left is this side. Okay, that seems like it's stuck down. Now that side was the right, so we get the right one. That's why it's always good to double check. So it looks like if you're not careful, you can pull up a little bit of the sticky pad, but we only want to take off the paper on the top. There we go, that one came off. And that one as well, so that one didn't come off completely. There we go, that's done. So this goes on the right side. Similar spot, they'll just stick down. Now it said that these have to line up and be clipped in. So I'll see if I can line up first without the clipping tool. But if I need to use it, I will. Had one side pop. Now they do feel, well, compared to the other ones, they do feel really soft and comfortable. Obviously the other ones were pretty bad, so that's understandable. Oh, no, it doesn't want to clip it in that super easy. Might need to use the tool if I can't orientate it correctly. There you go. So there's little notches that they have to go under. Let's see if I can demonstrate in a sec. There we go. So a little notch like that has to go under that. There's another one there. So this is probably where that tool comes in handy, just to get it under the little notches. That doesn't feel too bad. That actually feels quite secure now, just that top corner there. Then we'll move on to the next side. So I'll move on to the next side now, just see how that goes. Now work on the left side. Same situation. Line it up. I can hear them snapping in, so that means I've definitely lined it up correctly. If you don't line it up enough, it will come out of its spot. There's no particular orientation for these, so it should be quite easy just to snap in. There we go. That one's good there. That one's good there. So what I'll do is, because we now know what to do off camera, I'll just use the tool just to make sure they all snip in. As you can see, it's fairly easy to do, but it does require the tool and a little bit more time and patience. Otherwise, they feel nice and soft. Only took a couple minutes to work on. So, yeah, it seemed like they're going to be a really good replacement.